K.S.R.T.C Expo at Christ College of Engineering, Aanavandi. This is gear post cut section. This is a yoke, and this is a crown and pinion assembly. You can see oil pump here. Then this is clutch pressure plate assembly, brake shoe, piston with a connecting rod. Then this is fuel injection pump, and this is air tank. This is sun gear and star gear assembly with spider. This is system protection valve. This is starter valve. You can also space spring brake actuator, ball bearing, air driver, etc. Then this is the steering gearbox cut section. This is a ceramic disc, turbocharger, wiper motor, alternator. Then camshaft, etc.